Well, T.S. Sudhir is joining us this morning on this massive Telangana household survey that is being carried out by the state government. Sudhir, it's a state-enforced ban today almost in the state, and some of the locals there complaining about how they're having difficulty. But apprehensions over this ethnic profiling, if you will, still persists despite the government trying to explain that it is doing this just for the welfare schemes.
Well, officially the Telangana government says that their idea is essentially to assess the socio-economic status of the 4 crore people of Telangana, and no kind of profiling is taking place, especially with that column 21, that controversial clause which asked about the nativity of the people, removed from the survey form. I have with me Mr. Rahim, who's in fact one of the officials who is actually taking care of the survey. What has been the response so far?
The response is very good. The second thing is we have created some awareness among the people by making this program for complete 3 days. On 7,
a lot of people who are calling up asking why no officials have come to their home as yet. I saw a lot of phone calls you were getting since morning.
Because it is a very big work and a lot of enumerators are being involved, and apart from the government officials, we have taken the services of the college students also who are studying engineering.
You think you'll be able to finish it off by 8 o'clock tonight?
Yeah, we are trying because it is a very big work, and at the same time a lot of slum areas are there, small houses are there, a lot of complexes are there.
Okay, it's going to be huge and a very mammoth exercise taking place here in Telangana, whole of Telangana being shut down. Let's find out from common citizens as to how they perceive this survey. Do you think this survey will actually serve any purpose, Mr. Sunki?
Yes, I'm very confident about it. The Telangana people have been fighting for the freedom since 67 years, and we are happy that we got it. Now, Chief Minister KCR trying to find out who are the deserving candidate to be benefited, and this is the area where this is the medium which he can find out who are the people deserves the benefits.
Right. There are a bit of concerns about people being asked their bank account numbers, their property details, etc. Is that a concern? आप देना चाहेंगे अपने bank account numbers?
नहीं सर्वे का बारे में नहीं. आपको बैंक अकाउंट देना, इनकम टैक्स का पेपर्स देना, कुछ इतना लॉट ऑफ कितना प्रॉब्लम्स है, मतलब लोगों को आना, घरों में बैठना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा. इसके बाद मैंने उसका केसीआर का गवर्नमेंट में ये सर्वे बराबर कामयाब नहीं हो सकता, बहुत मुश्किल है.
So mixed feelings there. Would you want to say something to him? People are reluctant to share with you the bank account numbers.
Actually, the revealing of the information is voluntary as far as bank is concerned. The only thing is, as far as the government decisions and policy is concerned, we have got the system of providing fee reimbursement to the poor students, and at the same time the white ration cards are there depending upon the financial status of the people. So the two important points are here. One thing is the poor students, the main important purpose of the government is to help the poor people and see that
the bank account numbers are useful, you are saying?
Exactly. No, at the same time, if the financial status are clear before the government, the poor people can get the benefits of the government facilities. That is the purpose.
Fine. So that's what it is. It is optional. Of course, nobody is going to force you to actually reveal your bank account numbers, and even taking part in the survey is pretty much optional, not mandatory as far as the government is concerned. But yes, mixed feelings as you saw here. Some people feeling very excited about the fact that some kind of a survey of this kind is actually taking place, a mammoth exercise. But yes, apprehensions do continue in the state of Telangana. Ruchika?
T.S. Sudhir, thank you for joining us with that comprehensive update on that mega survey that is being carried out by the government of Telangana.